Hi everybody, this is Sarah here with Pool Pros of Pasco. Just making a short video to show you guys something that you should always keep watch for if you're having pavers installed around your pool area from an estimator. You can see here there's this nice property, beautiful back in there. But they're coming in, they're having problems with their paver coping. So they're looking to have the paver coping replaced around the pool. You can see there their main concern is the coping is starting to fall off. But what you'll notice is they had their concrete deck, their waterline tile, and their cap tile. Some installer tried to install the paver coping over on top of the cap tile. If you are ever keeping your waterline tile but putting paver coping down, make sure your installer removes the cap tile. It will not adhere to cap tile. They did not try to make it porous, glazed, or anything. So you can see some thin set sitting right on top of it. Get a better picture for you without dropping in the water here. But just a little tidbit of advice for you. Always make sure that cap tile is removed. This coping will not adhere. So here this will have to be removed. The tile removed. New coping installed while trying not to damage any of the other surrounding parts.